Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we're going to show you how to overlay an image onto another in Photopea, using simple steps to make your images stand out. Step 1. Open Photopea in your browser. Click Open from PC to choose your base image. This is the main photo you want to add another image onto. Step 2. We'll open the image you want to overlay. Again, go to File, then click Open and choose the second image that will sit on top of your base photo. Step 3. Select the Overlay Image tab. Press Ctrl+A, select the whole image, then press Ctrl+C, copy it. This gets it ready to paste. Switch back to the Base Image tab. Now press Ctrl+V, paste the overlay. It'll automatically appear as a new layer on top of your base image. Step 4. To move and resize the overlay. Select the Move tool from the toolbar. Click and drag the overlay to position it, then go to Edit, choose Free Transform, and drag the corners to resize. Hit Enter when you're done. Step 5. Let's adjust how the overlay blends. Select the overlay layer and use the Blending Mode drop-down to try options like Overlay, Multiply, or Screen. Each gives a different effect. Use the Opacity slider in the Layers panel to control how transparent the overlay is. Lower it to make it subtle, or keep it high for full impact. It's up to you. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more awesome tutorials.